In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to utilize DocMerge to produce new documents by retrieving data from Sugar. It's possible to merge individual records with a document template from three distinct areas: the record view, the list view, or subpanel's action menu. You can use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file templates when merging individual records. In order to merge a document from the record view, you must first choose the relevant module for the record. Once you have selected the module, click on the record you want to merge. This will open in the record view. On the right side of the screen, you will see the Actions button. Click this button and select DocMerge option from the drop-down list. The second step is to choose a document template from the Search and Select drawer. Alternatively, you can create a new template by clicking the Create button. If you need your merged documents to be in a PDF format, you can use the Doc Merge to PDF option. In this step, you must select a Word file template. Once you have made your selection, the merge process will begin immediately. The process of merging records from the list view is quite similar. Simply select the record you want to merge, click the Action menu on your right-hand side, and choose whether you want to merge to Doc or PDF. For the third option of merging individual records, from the record view, scroll down to the subpanel containing the record you wish to merge. From the Action menu, select the appropriate option between DocMerge or DocMerge to PDF. Following these steps will allow you to merge the selected record into the document template of your choice. If you want to merge multiple records with the same template, first, you'll have to select all the records to merge in the list view, then go to the Mass Action menu and select DocMerge or DocMerge to PDF. Select a document template in the Search and Select drawer, or click the Create button to create new template. The merge process begins immediately. The status of the merge is displayed in the DocMerge widget. When complete, a confirmation message will appear and the merged document will be added to the document list in the DocMerge widget. Click the document icon to download the merged document. For more options on where to access the merged document for downloading and future reference, please refer to the Accessing Merged Documents section in this lesson.